Hi, this is John at the Zamseed Yield Improvement Center, where we've got these farming systems demonstration and observation blocks. So where I am here, we've got on either side some regenerative farming rotations that we're looking at. They were established this year. So here you can see at the end on the left maize, and then soybeans and sorghum next to me here, and on the right sorghum, cowpeas and millet. So these two rotations are for different scenarios. The one on the right is more for a dry, like region 1 scenario, and the one on the left is more for a region 2 scenario. Now I wanted to show you specifically over here our cover crops. So we've got these rotations, and in the rotations is the cover crop, and we planted in these cover crops, as you can see, the sun hemp, sunflower, lab, and there's some cowpea in there as well in the lower canopy. So these are now quite advanced. In fact, they probably should have been terminated already, but we kept them going for the field day which we had last week, but we're starting to terminate them now. And here's what we've done on the one portion that we've slashed down to terminate this. And you can see there's a tremendous amount of dry matter here, or vegetative matter that's drying down. The lab is still quite green, but the other crops have pretty well died off now. So there's a tremendous amount of organic matter going back into the soil here. This is a legume dominant cover crop because we were really wanting to look at how we can improve the soils with a lower CN ratio cover crop. So here we have along the edge, you can see our tree line. This is leucaena and some pigeon pea. So we have a border line of this between the two portions of cover crop. So we'll come in and mow this down in the next day or two and leave that through the winter, so that when we come in the summer planting, the maize will be in this portion here and the sorghum will be in this portion here. And these regenerative farming plots here are not getting any inorganic fertilizer or any inorganic or pesticides. We are trying to minimize any synthetics going into these plots on the left and the right, and only using manures and organic fertilizers and biological controls where we can. So I thought that would be interesting to you. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.